Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate around in the Indition Forms mobile app. Okay, so we are in the dashboard of our Indition Forms mobile app, and the first thing you probably see are a list of different form options. We have My Mobile Forms, All Forms, Submissions, Unsync Submissions, and then Draft Submissions. Also, real quick to point out, in the top left corner you have the mobile menu options. This is where you can click on to see all these options, as well as a settings, switch account, and the logout option. So let's start off with My Mobile Forms and All Forms, since they practically go hand in hand. In the My Forms tab, you will find all the forms that you've downloaded from the All Forms tab. So every mobile form that you have will be in the All Forms tab. And as you can see, there are some that have the download icon and some that do not. The ones that do not have the download icon have already been downloaded and sent to the My Forms tab for you to use. The ones with the icon are still saved in your database and need to be downloaded to use. If you are still confused, you will get a better understanding once you try it out on your own. Okay, from here we can click on the menu button in the top left and go to Home. Next we can check out Submissions, and that's pretty self-explanatory. This is where you will see the submissions from your forms. Then we have Unsync Submissions. This is where the submissions that have been recorded on your device that doesn't have internet access will be. For example, you meet somebody on an airplane and you don't have internet connection, but you have your form downloaded and you want them to fill it out. They can fill out the form and it will save in the spot. The great thing is, as soon as you connect to the internet, it will be recorded, saved, and pushed to submissions automatically. And then we have draft submissions, where like it says, if someone doesn't completely finish a submission using the save and resume feature, it will post there. And that about wraps it up for the overview for the Indition mobile app. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you are notified when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.